Why is nobody talking about how difficult it is to get a repair done in British Columbia on a new home with respect to their 2510 home warranty? Every home that's sold in British Columbia, whether it's a strata property or a single family detached home, needs to have a home warranty as a mandatory component. Any professional home builder in the province needs to carry a 2510 home warranty. And it can be a challenge to get those warranty repairs done in a timely manner. So all too often I see these home warranties getting really oversold in the sales process, really sort of provided as assurances that should there be any issues, they're covered by this home warranty. And that has just not been my experience, having dealt with a few of these. Okay, there is a fairly high threshold for what would be considered a deficiency that would be covered by the warranty. Instead of putting all that weight on the warranty, knowing how difficult it is, I give my clients really clear instructions around this, in which the burden of due diligence lies on checking out the builder. The builder's reputation, the company that carries the warranty, the professional builder or company that built the property, their reputation, their history of looking after their past customers, that's where your focus needs to lie. Look into that way more than you look into the 2510 warranty, and you're going to be set up for success.